Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I've got a really special truck for you. This thing's exciting. If you're not excited already by looking at this Tangelo orange pearl paint, wait till you hear the monster motor that's under the hood fire up. We got a 1968 Ford truck here, ground up restored. It's got some real performance goodies going for it. If you visit volocars.com, you can read all the specs, you can study all the pictures, and you can get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, put on your seatbelt. Let's go for a spin in this 68 Ford truck. Yeah, it's a hot rod. It's got a built 444 stroker motor with a 4-speed and a posi rear. Crow streeted in back, got the big wide tires. Underneath this truck is rust-free. The metal is all clean and beautiful. It has a DJM lowering kit in front. It has a custom twin I-beam, so it is an independent front suspension. Polyurethane bushings. The front end looks like it's all gone through. The rear end's all redone because the rear frame section was rebuilt for the big wide tires. The springs are relocated, the shocks are relocated, so all of that is new. You look up at the motor, it's still clean. It's got a custom oil pan. It's got a 4-speed top loader trans that was rebuilt with a McLeod clutch. It's a heavy-duty clutch. The rear end's rebuilt. It's a Ford 9-inch with 456 gears. Those are really big gears, but with the big tire, it kind of offsets it, so you can drive this truck. The exhaust system comes out each side. It's a nice custom exhaust with some stainless steel electric dumps. I'm going to hit a switch, and it's going to open it right up, like right off the motor, and we're going to rock your speakers. We'll get to that in a little bit. The body's amazing. And I'll share a secret with you. This was born a camper special. They found this rust-free body. This is a Southern truck. And they built this Pro Street out of it. But the fit and finish is amazing. This paint, I've said this in the last 2 videos because it's been true, but it's like looking in a mirror. I see the reflection of our ceiling. It's like an orange mirror. It's even slick to the touch. Look at the body lines. All beautiful. All spot on. Smooth down here, the corners of the cabs, all clean metal. As far as I can reach my hand in there, it's slick. The doors, nice for a truck. Beautiful. The bed is beautiful. The top, there's no dents or waves, no cracking, no issues. It's show quality fit and finish. Wheel well moldings look new, marker lights look new, tail lights, the handle. Notice there's no back bumper. It has what they call a roll pan with the recessed license plate. This side is just as slick, just as nice. Now these Mickey Thompson tires, they're brand new. Well, I should say they've not got any miles on. It still has the nubs on the tread of the tires. Those are Cragars wheels. They look brand new too. I don't see a mark on them. They're shiny Cragars wheels. I thought it was pretty cool to see a set of Cragars Pro Street rims. You don't see that very often. Gas cap door handles, mirrors new. They put a Ford F100 emblem up here. The wheel's new. I'm trying to see what kind of tire. It's a Cornell tire, so not a Mickey Thompson in front. The bumper looks new. The emblems look new. I said the grill looks new when I was writing my description, but there's a couple hairline scratches on it, but it's real nice. Windshield's new. I think the back window's new. The gaskets are all new around all the windows. So it's a 390 motor with a Scat stroker kit. This thing's been bored, stroked. I listed it all on the website. I can't remember it all, but forged crank, H-beam rods, the special rings and pistons, the whole lower end rotating assembly is a Scat assembly. The whole upper end is Edelbrock. Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock cam, lifters, rollers, intake. So it's a built motor. There's 50 miles on this motor. It still has the break-in oil in the motor. It's just as slick in here. It's got the wide wheel wells for the tires. It looks like factory made it that way, but it's not beat up, it's not rusted. It's slick in here. Inside the truck is pristine. Look at the door. I mean, is that slick or what? This is nice. All this trim, the armrest, the window crank. Got some polished stainless sill plates, new weather strip. The dash area is mint. All the orange is painted. The dash pad is mint. The instrument bezel, the knobs, the gauges, all of it's pristine. The heater control panel. And it does have a big tachometer on the column and a gauge cluster down below. Chrome alternator, big polished aluminum radiator, new horns, beautiful polished aluminum valve covers, has billet holders for the wires. It's a dual feed Holley carburetor. It's got a billet distributor, power steering, power brakes. They chip guarded the bottom of the hood for insulation, and it's tinted orange. They chip guarded the inner part of it black. It's real nice. It's got a set of long tube ceramic coated headers, chrome alternator. The seats reupholstered, nice cushions, got new seat belts. It's just clean everywhere you look. The headliner, visors, the mirror, it's all beautiful. Glove box liner's new. It's a 4-speed. How cool is that in an old truck? So we're gonna blow your speakers right here, folks. That's what the dump's closed. Here's the difference. I don't know if you could tell on your speakers how I felt it. It was like vibrating in my chest when I opened up those dumps. So you just got a cool truck here. This is exciting. I bet this thing is so fun to go out and drive. Unfortunately, because of the roads right now with snow and salt, I can't drive it, but boy, I would love to. I just gave you my honest impression of this bad boy truck. If you have any specifics or questions or concerns, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They will help answer your questions about the truck, the financing, delivery, the paperwork. They will make all of that easy for you. So volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.